An AI-powered immersive theater production titled The Waiting Room is set to be performed at the Edinburgh Festival Fringe in 2025. This show exemplifies the integration of virtual beings into live performance, where artificial intelligence enables dynamic and participatory storytelling. The creators emphasize audience engagement over passive observation, underscoring a shift in theater toward interactive, AI-supported experiences. This development marks a notable use case for virtual beings in the performing arts, blending narrative immersion with responsive character interaction through AI. Several concrete examples illustrate the growing role of AI avatars in sales and marketing, particularly in China. AI avatars are driving significant revenues on Chinese video platforms, demonstrating commercial effectiveness in livestream commerce. For instance, one AI avatar duo reportedly generated sales of 10.5 billion yuan. These synthetic presenters are optimized for high-volume performance, contributing to the expansion of China's digital avatar industry. This commercial model shows how AI-driven virtual beings are not only reshaping online retail but also serving as scalable brand ambassadors. A US-based platform has merged artificial intelligence with adult content by creating AI avatars modeled after public figures. These digital humans, described as AI avatars of adult content celebrities, do not require rest or breaks, providing uninterrupted user engagement. The platform positions itself as a hybrid of OpenAI and OnlyFans, suggesting a synthetic character ecosystem capable of monetizing lifelike digital replicas. This model raises ethical concerns about consent, identity, and the commodification of likeness in the virtual realm. In gaming, avatars generated or enhanced by generative AI are increasingly being featured in crossover content. For example, the game Sonic Racing, Cross Worlds now includes characters from SpongeBob, Avatar, and Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, highlighting how virtual beings can serve as IP bridging assets. Although the document does not state these are AI-generated, the mention within a generative AI context suggests an evolving role for synthetic characters in expanding game universes and branded experiences. Artisan AI launched a billboard campaign in Times Square with the provocative slogan "Stop Hiring Humans," promoting its AI-powered virtual employees such as sales representatives. This reflects the application of digital humans in corporate settings, where AI avatars act as virtual staff capable of handling customer-facing roles. The campaign illustrates a trend toward replacing or supplementing human workers with autonomous synthetic agents that function continuously without fatigue. AI companions are discussed as always available entities integrated into apps like Replika and Speak. These virtual beings offer conversation, affirmation, and personalized interaction at all hours, forming a new category of digital support agents. The companionship model emphasizes emotional connection and continuity, providing users with consistent, responsive engagement, particularly in contexts of loneliness or mental health support. Although the document includes a headline about a fashion designer inspired by mental health recovery, the only connection to virtual beings in that context is a generic use of the term avatar image in an unrelated advertisement or layout. There is no substantive mention of digital humans or AI companions used in healthcare settings in this particular instance. A significant number of references relate to avatars and virtual beings in gaming and social platforms. Roblox is prominently featured, with Reddit discussions highlighting user-generated content such as personalized avatars and the social implications of over-accessorization. Users also debate the authenticity of avatar personalities that mimic mental illnesses, a sensitive issue within online communities. A separate Reddit thread addresses the quality of voices used for avatars, emphasizing the customization and performance aspect of digital self-expression. On TikTok, VTubers, virtual streamers, appear in trending clips, showcasing their roles in real-time interaction, character-based storytelling, and community engagement. Videos such as rare caveman footage spotted behind a VTuber avatar and VTubers react to Nintendo Direct's Tomodachi Life suggest how avatars serve as narrative filters and performative interfaces for broader content creation. Several technological platforms and job postings point to ongoing development in virtual beings and their application in professional and enterprise environments. Meta's XR Tech Core AI division is hiring for work in computer vision and neural avatars, underscoring their commitment to high-fidelity, AI-driven representations in extended reality. Meta-humans are frequently mentioned across developer forums and platforms like Fab and Unreal Engine, with products such as MetaHair 10 and MetaHair 11 designed for realistic, dynamic character grooming. The discussions in Unreal forums detail how metahuman body parts are modularized in version 5.6, enabling detailed and granular control in animation and simulation environments. This aligns with professional-grade use in cinematic, VR, and gaming productions. Creatify.ai is also mentioned as a company that uses AI to rapidly generate video ads, suggesting another commercial use of AI-generated avatars or synthetic characters in marketing. A scientific use case appears in the Chinese language entry titled Virtual Human Retina, simulating neural signaling, degeneration, and responses to electrical stimulation, which positions virtual humans in biomedical modeling. This simulation-based approach suggests their role in advancing vision science, offering controlled environments to study retinal behavior and degeneration. Ataraxis AI is also referenced as an AI precision medicine company operating at the intersection of multimodal artificial intelligence and oncology. While not explicitly about virtual beings, its focus on multimodal AI might include avatars or synthetic agents as interfaces or data models in patient care. Virtual beings are increasingly utilized in commercial live streaming and digital marketing. A significant case occurred during the 618 Shopping Festival, where digital humans debuted on platforms such as Taobao and Douyin, achieving a 65% and 42% year-on-year increase in effective orders, respectively. Notably, 2 live stream sessions using digital humans on Baidu Youxuan generated over 105 million yuan in GMV, marking a historic moment for the industry. In addition, China Central Television, CCTV, and Sohu highlighted new occupations emerging around digital humans, such as AI digital human trainers and generative AI animation producers, indicating the integration of virtual beings into enterprise workflows. For example, trainer Sun Jiaxin works at a Beijing internet tech company with nearly 50 employees focused on AI training, including prompt design and visual model optimization. Another case involves Digital Domain, a Hollywood visual effects and virtual human technology company, which launched Hamburg, an AI-driven image creation solution used for Media Tech's product showcase and a Paris Olympics advertisement. This indicates the company's focus on supporting content creators with AI-generated virtual humans for branding and advertising. In the healthcare domain, virtual beings are being deployed for diagnostics and hospital services. At a technology competition in Shanggun, the Chinese Academy of Medical Sciences Fuwei Hospital presented a smart hospital solution driven by digital twin technologies. This included the use of virtual digital humans to simulate visual consultation scenes, reconstructing the future model of hospital services. This project won first prize among 132 cutting-edge medical innovation entries, reflecting growing institutional adoption of virtual beings in clinical settings. Virtual beings are also employed to reimagine cultural figures and preserve historical legacies. A striking example is the creation of an AI Lu Xun, developed by the Capital Library. This virtual being is a digital reincarnation of the famed Chinese author, built using deep learning models trained on all his writings, research literature, and historical data. The digital Lu Xun participated in a cultural reading event along the Grand Canal in 2025, effectively allowing a literary icon to return home in virtual form. Another cultural application includes the concept of dragons as virtual reality beings, with jade dragons from 5,000 years ago interpreted as early symbolic avatars that accompanied ancient leaders on their spiritual journey, suggesting long-standing human engagement with synthetic representations. In retail, the Amuse Cosmetics brand incorporated a digital character named Amuse Girl into its new flagship store. Created using generative AI, Amuse Girl represents the brand's commitment to vegan and eco-friendly beauty, and serves both as a marketing figurehead and a digital friend who promotes environmental consciousness. This case highlights how avatars are being adopted by brands to create emotionally resonant, mission-aligned personas that engage customers in physical and digital spaces alike. In gaming, the title Hirogami features digital beings as in-world antagonists. A demo for the PC game describes a fictional continent disrupted by data miasma, a destructive force composed of digital lifeforms. Players assume the role of a master of paper arts responsible for cleansing this contagion. This example, while fictional, reflects the increasing integration of synthetic characters into narrative game design.